Good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. If you're new here, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back, baby. We're starting a brand new vlog. Let me close the back windows. We're starting a brand new vlog, and it's a travel vlog. We're going to Cape Town, my favorite city in the world so far. Guys, I love Cape Town. I can do Cape Town every year given the chance. So Miss Riley's going on her first flight. She's going to Cape Town for the second time, so I know she's going to be super excited. We didn't tell her anything, so as per usual, I'm always running around last minute. What's new? I work well under pressure, right? I didn't get the chance to do my nails, but they're not too bad. But I did pack my stuff, so I'll do my nails when I arrive in the UK. Anyways, I need to pass by the police station to make an affidavit for Riley, because traveling back, I won't be coming back here with her because I'll be making my way to the UK. So obviously I need to make an affidavit for that. What else do I need to do? I also need to go to a bus rank to collect my card, but I may ask my friend to do that for me because she said if I need anything I should just let her know, just so that I can make it on time to the airport, because as usual I always overpack. So I just want to be able to have that time to, you know, reduce my luggage if there's need for me to do that. But yeah, we're flying direct. Botswana leaves at 1 o'clock, lands in Cape Town at 3 o'clock, and then I'm thinking we're gonna do a sunset boat cruise. If we get the chance, we'll pass by Access Park to do a little bit of shopping. I'm thinking we'll do a sunset boat cruise at around, I don't know, 6-7ish. I'm not too sure. I have to call the companies to check. I actually don't have a SIM card. I need to get one when we get there. And then I'm thinking we have dinner by Tang or Tasha's. Most probably Tang though, in VNA, but we'll see. And then I'll share the itinerary for tomorrow in the morning, just so we can catch up. I just thought let me do that now. I'm waiting for my uncle. Obviously we need somebody who's gonna drive back the car, so I'm waiting for my uncle so that he can do that. But it's taking so long, I don't have much time. Oh, there he is. Anyways, let's go to Cape Town. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Very first trip of the year. Beautiful. Wow. I'm hoping to have a beautiful year full of travels and exploring. I wish I could have done my eyelashes. I didn't even get the chance to cheese my eyebrows. It's a big mess, but we'll be fine. That's also.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly. I let you. It's easier the fighting, but I know.
Bye, Riley.
Hi guys.
Bye, guys.
You should go to
You should go where?
you should go to Kagan Elephants at the airport, and you should buy the cheese and ham sandwich, whatever you call it. And there's like funny names of some foods where like you can trick your kids into like ordering something. Like for example, if they say I want to go home, it's like a meal, so they have funny names. So yeah. Or if they say I don't care, you should actually order the cheese and ham sandwich. It's so good.
Okay, are you excited? Let's go.
I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier the fighting, but now, no. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight.
Good morning. Let's go. Let's go take a walk by the beach. Good morning. Cute little outfit. You like it? So cold. The wave is coming. So cute.
And so if we stop or when we're
Okay, thank you. been a long day. My last day in Cape Town. Sad. Very sad. We're at the beach. Then we're gonna get ready to do the sunset photos. I don't know if you guys can hear, but I'm trying to whisper because there's a lot of people here. But just thought I should check in. We'll talk later.
How to be able to
don't go to the toilet. There's no ventilation in there. Alternatively, pick your spot on the deck, lean over and feed the fish. Otherwise, we can give you guys a doggy bag that will pack nicely, write your name and date on and send home with you guys.
I want you guys to join with me, even if you're Italian.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make it.
Your face has changed me, Wish from wrong to right. Please, Father, please, this morning of response.
From? Good morning. I honestly haven't had the time to talk to you guys throughout this vlog. It was just me showing you what we're up to, which is a lot of running around. So yeah, it was always like noise and stuff, so I couldn't properly talk to you guys. But yesterday we took a walk in the morning, and then Riley wanted Starbucks, so we took an Uber halfway. Not even halfway, a quarter way, because we were sleeping in Sea Point. So we took an Uber to Camps Bay, and then she decided, you know what, she wants to play on the beach because the sun was rising, so it was getting a little bit warm. So she wanted to just, I don't know, feel the water by the beach. But the thing is, we left here thinking we're just taking a walk, we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna do like a proper beach day during the day when it's very hot. But the girl didn't want to listen, so we just let her do her thing, and then we came back, we took a shower, and then we went to Access for a little bit of shopping. I will do a haul. I'll do a haul. It's going to be the last part of this vlog. And then what else did we get up to? Oh yeah, we came back, we went to VNA. Did we have lunch in VNA? Oh yeah, we went to McDonald's because once again Riley's obsessed with McDonald's. and then we went to Clifton Fourth Beach, which was amazing. Had so much fun. We had to come back, take a shower quickly, because we actually had to get a sunset boat cruise, which we were late for. So the only boat that was available was the Pirates of the Caribbean boat, which turned out to be actually fun. I think more fun than we would have if we got in any other one, because I initially wanted us to get the Mirage. Is it the Mirage? Yeah, Mirage or Tigress, I don't mind either. So it was my first time on the Pirates of the Caribbean, and I actually had so much fun. There was a bachelor party, yeah, and a birthday party. So with the birthday girl turning 40 and the groom to be, so it was quite fun. They sang for us, we sang for them. Just felt like a family reunion, like something nice like that. So fun was had. There was a live band. I really enjoyed it, and honestly we didn't pay much like for that beautiful experience. We probably took an hour and 45 minutes on the boat. So beautiful. I highly recommend. I hope you have the good experience like we did. But yeah, it is Sunday morning. My flight is at 12:35. I am flying through Doha. I'm heading to London. Yeah. I initially wanted to do something this morning, but I crashed out. I am tired. So nope, I'm not gonna do anything. I just quickly need to pass by a shop to get biltong for my husband and cheese snacks for my friend, and then call it a day. Probably gonna have breakfast at Creamy after check-in though. Riley's flight is at 3, but because I'm leaving, they're gonna take me to the airport. So I think we should get ready now, because knowing Riley, she's going to want to get McDonald's before we leave. I promised my husband I was gonna get him chicken chicken, but I don't know where chicken chicken is in Capetown. I'm gonna have to Google that.
Have travel documents with you as you depart the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted outside.
Escape path lighting will guide you to the emergency exits. Watch it. That's you did it. How will you do this?
Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the stuff that I got from Cape Town as promised. I have a bit of a flu. I'm still recovering. I've had it since I think it's like the 4th or 5th day now. It doesn't seem to get better. But anyway, let me not waste any time. First up is this shirt that I got from Cotton On from Access Park, which usually has like the, what you call it, the outlet stores, so they're a little bit cheaper than the actual stores in the malls. So this particular shirt was 250 rands, but the original price was 450 rands. So I got in a size size 38. So I will try it on, and then I'll put the videos on the side for you guys to see. And then next up, I got, still from Cotton On, I got a pair of jeans. Actually, I wish I could have sized these down. I was a little bit skeptical. There was a long line. I didn't want to try anything that needed me to go to the fitting room. So I got this in a size 32. I wish I could have taken a size 30. They're curvy, skinny. And these were, I don't remember the price, probably like 300 rands or even less. Honestly, they were not expensive at all. This is what they look like. Once again, I will wear them, and then I'll put a video on the side. I love them though. They're a bit big, but I really love them. Next up, from, what's that shop, Ghana? From Cape Union Mart, I got a pair of pants. I love them. I wore these the other day. I love them so much. If you know UK fashion, a lot of the girlies wear these wide leg pants with your sneakers, like New Balances, Sambas. So I love that these are so versatile. I can wear them with heels, with sneakers, with boots, anything I want to wear. I'm gonna wear these. So I love them. Wide leg. They are from the brand Old Khaki, and I got them in a size 36. Love them. I wanted like a little bit of an oversized fit, and this is what I got. I'm a tall girl, so they do go all the way down. Love, love, love the color. And then also from Cape Union Mart, I got the scarf that I haven't had the chance to unravel. I haven't used this before. I haven't even washed it, but I was kind of looking for a scarf. If you know, it's very cold here, so scarves do come in handy. So I got it in this color. They didn't have a lot of options though, but yeah, I just wanted to force matters. So this is the first one that I got. It's a bit of a summer scarf, but I don't mind that. Then the next scarf that I got from the men's section is this knit scarf. I'm not too sure about the colors, but I was so determined to get a scarf, so I said, you know what, I'll make it work. I'll make it work. Yeah, this is the scarf. I forgot the prices of the scarf. This one I believe was 250 rands. This one was probably like 120 rands. Yeah, I forgot to show you this dress that I got from Cotton On as well. I got in a size large, that one I'm sure about. This particular dress, I forgot the price, but the normal price was 450 rands. I believe I got it for like 200 rands, even 180. Yeah, I know it was about half, less than half the price, to be quite honest. They did have a few colors in this dress. I will try it on, put it on the side. It's a little bit of a backless situation. I really love this dress. I think I'm gonna, if my husband and I manage to go out for Valentine's, this is what I'm gonna wear, because him and I are not well at all. If you go out, we're really gonna be forcing matters, but this is what I might wear. I forgot my trench coat upstairs. Let me go get it. This is the trench coat that I got. It's from H&M. I got it for 800 rands. Yeah, I initially wanted it in a camel nude color, but I didn't have a size in that color, so I opted for the black instead. Still love it very much. I feel like I need a trench coat in at least 3 colors. I love it so much. I got this in a size medium. Yeah, for reference, size medium. I'm a tall girl, so I love the way this trench coat sits on me. My husband says I look sexy when I'm wearing it. The other day I was wearing it with a dress and some stockings inside. I looked very nice in this. I will try it on once again, put a video on the side. But yeah, this is everything that I got. So yeah, if you watched until the end, which is this part, thank you so much for supporting the girl once again. I'm back. I haven't been well. I think the whole world has the flu. Guys, I forgot to show you my perfume. I got the Ebony Wood. If you've been following me for a long time, you know I've been raving about this perfume. I tried it once when I was with my friend in Cape Town. We went back for it. I think it was sold out, something like that. And then she attempted to get it. She says, girl, it doesn't smell the same. I went into Zara, I smelled it, and it smelled exactly the way I remember it. So I got it. I got it in a smaller size because I was gonna go to Lush. So I did go to Lush. I wanted to purchase a body mist, the Good Times roll, I think, from Lush that the girls are talking about. I met up with Winnie this December, and then she had it on. I'm like, girl, what's that? She says Lush. So I also determined to get that one. Hence why I got the smaller version of this so that I could take the rest of the money to Lush. I get to Lush, they didn't have that one. And then the one that smells very close to the Good Times roll, like the Good Times roll, something like that, is too strong for me personally. It's way too sweet. I think it's Days, Good Days. I'm butchering those names, but yeah, I'll put it on the side so you guys can understand. So yeah, I was so bummed that I got this. I wish I'd gone to Lush first before going to Zara. Then I could have gotten the 100 ml, because now I'm afraid to get it online in case it doesn't smell the same like the one that my friend smelled. So it's fine though. It'll take me at least 2 to 3 months until I figure out a way. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll definitely see you guys next week because I did start a new vlog. Who's consistent? It's me. Bye, guys.